In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your payment terms and methods when ordering from Alibaba. If you're new to this platform, or even if you're a seasoned buyer, understanding these aspects can save you not just money, but also ensure a smooth purchasing experience. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make your transactions as efficient as possible. When ordering from Alibaba, one of the first things you need to do is thoroughly review their payment terms. This may sound basic, but it's a crucial step. Alibaba provides various payment options, each with its own set of terms and fees. Make sure you understand these fully, as each term might impact your cost structure differently. For instance, some payment methods may benefit you with longer payment terms, which could be essential if you're managing cash flow for a small business. Once you've got a good grasp of the payment terms, move on to choosing payment methods that have lower or no transaction fees. Not all payment methods offered by Alibaba are created equal, and the fees can vary significantly. Credit card payments, for instance, often come with a higher fee compared to bank transfers. Always weigh the pros and cons of each method to find one that minimizes costs while also meeting your needs for security and speed. Another key activity is negotiating shipping and payment terms with your supplier. Don't shy away from doing this. Most suppliers are open to negotiation, especially if you're placing a large order or intend to continue doing business with them in the future. Clear communication is vital here, as it can lead to more favorable terms that could save you on shipping costs and improve your payment conditions. One excellent strategy for added financial protection is to consider using Alibaba Trade Assurance. This service acts like a safety net for buyers, protecting your order payments to ensure that they reach the supplier only when you are satisfied with the product quality and shipment terms. It's a great way to mitigate risks, especially if you're working with a new supplier for the first time. Lastly, regularly checking for promotions or fee waivers offered by Alibaba can also be beneficial. Alibaba frequently runs promotions or offers fee waivers that can substantially reduce your overall expenses. By keeping an eye on these promotions, you're likely to catch a deal that can make a big difference in your